this is how to sign up and start farming CRYPLEX AI airdrop. And I'm going to drop the link to this airdrop site in the description box below. Okay, so just copy the link and come and paste it on your Mrs. browser. So once you paste it on your Mrs. browser, just load the link and it's going to take you to this site. So if your own is displaying error like this, all you need is you just go and get VPN. All right, so I have Thunder VPN. If you don't have Thunder VPN, you can just go to Play Store or App Store, download Thunder VPN and turn on your location to USA. All right, it just allows it to load. All right, so I'm actually going to select USA as my location. So now I'm connected to USA, then I can go back to the site and reload. So it's actually going to take me to the site. So alright, so this is the site, and here they wrote wallet selection. So you can actually tap on this to select the wallet that you can select wallet that you want to link to this particular website. So I'm going to advise you guys to link Phantom wallets. Alright, so I'm going to do that right now. And if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Olatek and I create video content on how to make free money online, just like this one you're watching right now. And if you like to see more of this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also invite friends who are more likely interested in making free money online to this channel. Alright, so let's get back to the video. So select Phantom wallet. You can link Phantom wallet to this particular website. You are good to go with that. Just allow it to load and it's going to pop up for you to sign in your Phantom wallet so that you can actually proceed to the next step. So alright, just put in your password and you can just, so that you can allow access to the wallet. Alright, so the account has been created successfully. So now the next thing to do is just to install the extension of this particular airdrop. So I'm going to head over to my Telegram channel and copy the link to the extension. Right, so this is the link to the extension. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. Alright, so you can just paste the link here so that you can install the extension. So just tap on add to Chrome right here and it's going to be added to your extensions. Alright, just tap on OK. Alright, it has been added to your extension. So all you have to do is just to tap on this icon, tap on this extension icon, and you can access the extension. So here it is, tap on it and it's going to take you to the node so that you can actually connect your wallet, connect the account you just created on your site to this node, and it's going to be activated. Alright, just tap on connect wallet. Alright, sorry, just tap on connect wallet. Just allow it to load. So the node has been connected and is now active. Alright, so as you can see right here, it has been connected and is now active. So you can just scroll up. You're going to see some tasks here to do. Just come to the task interface, perform all the tasks there, and you are good to go. Alright, so you can also copy your invite link by coming to this referral interface. So let us do some tasks so that you can have a clue on how to run those. So okay, this first task, okay, this is the first one. You can just connect your Google account. Alright, so I'm going to do that right now. All right, select the Google account you want to link. So continue. Done. And as you can see, my Google account has actually been linked to the yeah, this task has been completed. I've linked my Google account, so you can also tap on this, follow them on X, and you can come back here to claim the reward. All right, so do all these tasks, and that's how to farm the airdrop. All right, so keep the note running. You can also do daily check-in. I think come to this airdrop. Okay, you know, under this task on this task interface, you can just come to daily boost, right, and perform the tasks here daily to earn more points. So this is how to be farming this airdrop. We are going to be farming the airdrop to earn more points. You understand? Keep farming it daily to earn more points. And when the claiming period comes, I'm actually going to upload another video on how to claim and exchange the points for cash when it's time. Right? So see you in the next video.